So welcome students. In this question you're given P of A is equal to 1 by 4, P of A by B, P of B by A. These are three things given. From this you're asked to find P of B. So first let us try to expand these two. So P of A by B is nothing but P of A intersection B by P of B is equal to 1 by 2. And from this P of B intersection A by P of A is equal to 2 by 3. So if you divide these two equations, so if this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. So if you do 1 divided by 2 implies P of A intersection B, P of B intersection A both are same and they get cancelled out. So you have P of A by P of B is equal to, this P of A goes up, P of A by P of B is equal to 1 by 2 by 2 by 3, that is 3 by 4. And P of A is already given as 1 by 4. So P of B is equal to 4 by 3 times P of A is 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 3. So P of B is equal to 1 by 3 is the right answer. Thank you.